Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a long reach lighter. This will be an easy tutorial for using an extended reach lighter just like this one. Now this is just one example of how a long reach lighter can look. There are many different options, many different colors, many different variations. For some of them, you're going to be able to manipulate the shaft, so you can bend the shaft a little bit to either direction if you want. In this case, this has a fixed shaft just like this. And for this one, there's a lock button, so you can lock it like that. And when you lock it, you can't use it, or you can unlock it. And when it's unlocked, you can just immediately use it and turn it on. In other cases, you're going to have to unlock it, and then there's going to be a lever to hold down. So before you are able to push this trigger right here, you're going to have to hold down another lever to really ensure that you actually want the flame to appear. So in this case, there's just a lock and an unlock. But in other cases, you're going to have to hold down another lever and then push this one right here. But in this case, it's unlocked. So to actually start the flame, all that I do is I push and I hold down this lever over here. And as you can see, there's a flame. When I release it, the flame goes away. So by pressing and holding down this lever right here, I'm able, let's try one more time. It'll think it's running out of fluid, but by pressing and holding down this lever right here, no. So I think literally that was probably the last, no, there's still some fluid in there. We'll try one more time. Nope. So you know what? I think obviously there's a problem with this right here. I'm assuming it looks like there's fluid, but it looks like it just ran out. However, that's how to turn it on. Like I said, make sure it's unlocked and then push the lever just like that. Or there might be an additional lever that you have to push. You have to hold down another lever or button, and then you push the lever to turn it on. But like I said, that's how it works. Unfortunately, it looks like it just ran out of fluid and it's not working. Oh, there we go. There's another light. So that's how to use an extended reach lighter or a long reach lighter. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And sorry about that. Before I finish the video, let me say this one last thing. Obviously, whenever you're dealing with a lighter or flame, you need to keep your hands clear of that. So safety comes first. Only do this and only operate this unit or a unit of this nature if you feel absolutely comfortable working with it. Yeah, so obviously, I mean, I know that you probably know that, but I figured that I would say it anyways towards the end of the video. Obviously, when you're dealing with the flame, keep your hands far away from the flame, keep it far away from anything that's flammable, and just be very, 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 very careful whenever you're doing this. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.